In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Todoist project quickly and correctly if you've got an old project you no longer need. Cleaning it up can help keep your workspace organized and make it much easier to focus on what actually matters. This is a simple process, but I'll walk you through it step by step so you can do it confidently without getting stuck. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Todoist and look at the left sidebar. This is where all of your projects are listed, so take a moment to find the project you want to remove. Once you see it, move your mouse over the project name. As soon as you hover over it, you should notice a 3 dots icon appear next to the project. That little menu is where Todoist keeps the project options. Click the 3 dots icon to open the drop-down menu. From the list of options that appears, select Delete. Todoist will then show you a confirmation prompt because deleting a project is a permanent action and the app wants to make sure you really mean to do it. This is an important step, especially if the project contains tasks you may want to keep. When the confirmation window appears, click Delete again to confirm the action. Once you do that, Todoist will remove the project from your list. If everything was done correctly, the project should disappear right away, giving you a cleaner and more organized sidebar. And that's it. You've now deleted a Todoist project in just a few clicks. It's a fast way to tidy up your task manager and remove anything you no longer need. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.